Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to get back your lost Snapchat streak. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First off, I'll open the Snapchat app on your iPhone. If you see the fire icon next to your friend's profile, it means that you snapped with each other within 24 hours for more than 3 consecutive days. This implies that if you lost your streaks, you or your friend has not shared a snap with each other during the past 24 hours. But don't worry, you can still recover them easily. To do so, go to your profile page. Navigate to Settings and scroll down until you reach the Support section. Tap on I Need Help and select Contact Us. Choose I Lost My Snap Streak from the options and provide accurate information on the required fields. In the What Information Should We Know section, type something like then click on Send to submit the form. Snapchat will email you once your snap streak has been recovered. It might take some time before you receive a response, but they will get in touch with you. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.